So it looks like I won the war with the whiteflies and the aphids on my tomato plants. I don't see any. And the tomatoes are doing really good. Yes, this is a cucumber, bean, tomato jungle. But look at these colors turning. Some little spots there. I think that's from my spray with the tea tree oil. Might have burnt it a little bit. But they're doing really good. The Amish paste and the Juliets were the plants that had the worst aphids and whiteflies on them. And they're doing good, and they're starting to flower again. It wasn't flowering for a while. And I'm getting more little tomatoes. I'll tell you though, I'm really looking forward to just getting some beans on these plants so I can just get what I need and pull these out. So I think I need to give the tomato plants more airflow. These are the big boys. Doing very well. Except for this one. I don't know what happened to that one, but I keep cleaning it up and I'm getting new leaves. Let's take a look around that. I'm so happy these tomatoes are coming out. Now I just need the flowers to stop dying off. Okay, so this one, I don't know, it might be from my spraying or it might be from the bugs. It could be from both. I got some new leaves here, so I'm gonna give it a try. See if I can get something off of that plant. Besides these ill things, I don't think they're gonna go anywhere. Now the zucchinis are doing great. Look at that. This one's ready to harvest. Put my keys away. I just pulled up the driveway from work. I couldn't resist coming right out to the garden before even going into the house. That's another really good size. I broke it too close, so I gotta make sure I use that real soon. Still raining. Okay, the rain has stopped. Looks like I've got 2 inches of rain in a very short amount of time. That was fun. I love summer storms. Well, thanks everybody for stopping by, and stay tuned for some more tomato updates.